Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we started learning about Power Automate expressions. In this video, we will create an instant cloud flow, use input parameters and expressions to find the maximum of two numbers. Let's get started. We will go to Power Automate, create an instant cloud flow, manually trigger a flow and name the flow. We will use two input parameters, namely number 1 and number 2. Now we will search for Outlook and use send an email v2. In the body of the email, we will use the input parameters number 1 and number 2, and we will use an expression to find the maximum of these two numbers. We will scroll down and search for the max expression and use the dynamic content here. Once finished with expressions, we will save and test this flow. We can use the value of numbers of our choice. Our flow ran successfully and we have successfully received an email which is showing the maximum of 16 and 18, and that is 18. That's it. In the next video, we will learn about date and time functions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.